Good morning, students. Today I am going to begin with the next chapter, that is chapter number 8 of part B, unit 2, sharing and reviewing a spreadsheet. See, children, whenever you collaborate with others, you may be required to work on the same spreadsheet. The same thing I have told you in the computer lab also. Okay. If you are working on separate copies of the spreadsheet, you will create multiple versions of the same spreadsheet. Hence, it will be difficult to keep a track of the changes made by the collaborators and further compile that data. Now, how important, why it is important to share the spreadsheet? Because whenever you are creating, whenever all are working on separate worksheets, what will happen? It will create multiple versions of the same spreadsheet. So it becomes very difficult for the collaborators, and it's very difficult for them to compile the data. So Excel is offering the feature using which you can give access to other users to work on the same spreadsheet at the same time. What will happen with this? It will save the trouble of keeping the track of multiple versions of the same spreadsheet. So this simultaneous editing and real-time commenting with the others gives you a feeling as if you are sitting across the table with each other. If you are working on the same table, same Excel sheet, it will look like you are working on the same table, even if you are miles apart. The workbook can be saved in a network location where others can easily access it. You can keep a track of the changes that the other people make and accept or reject those changes. So this chapter is going to show you how to share the spreadsheets, edit and review shared spreadsheets. Okay, merge and compare them and working on comments. So this we are going to see in this chapter. Setting up a spreadsheet for sharing. When you share a worksheet, multiple users can work on it simultaneously. This you all know. So what they will do, they can enter the data, insert the rows and columns, add and change the formulas, and also format the same spreadsheet. So to share the spreadsheet, you have to follow some steps. First is what? You have to open Microsoft Excel. Then you have to open the file that you want to share, or you have to create a new file. Save it in a network location so that the other users can access it easily. With the workbook open, switch to the review tab. When a workbook will be open, where you have to switch to the review tab. Click on the share workbook option in the changes group. The share workbook dialog box opens as shown in this figure 8.1. See, this is going to open. This thing you try it out when you will come in the lab. No, all of you just see how you can do it. Now what you have to do, select the allow changes by more than one user at the same time. This also helps workbook merging checkbox to enable sharing. Click on OK. If you have already saved the spreadsheet, a message appears stating that the action will now save the workbook. Click on OK to continue. If the workbook has not been saved previously, the save as dialog box will appear. Suppose आपने ठीक से save नहीं किया है, तो what will happen? It will show the option save as dialog box. After saving the word, means it will be shown shared as shown on the title bar along with the document's title. Now all the users can work together on the same workbook. Now opening and saving the shared spreadsheet. After sharing the worksheet, you and the other users can open it and make changes in it at the same time. To open a shared file, you have to follow some steps. What is the first steps? सबसे पहले क्या करो? Locate the file in the network location and double click on it to open it. When you open a shared spreadsheet, a message will appear stating that the spreadsheet is in a shared mode and some features are not available in this mode. It will show you one message. Then click on OK to open the shared workbook. After making changes in the shared workbook, you need to save the file if you want to update the changes. आपको जो भी changes update करना है, you have to do what? आपको save करना पड़ेगा. So to save the file, same option, click on the file button and then click on save. When you save a shared spreadsheet, one of the several situations may occur. कौन सा situation? The spreadsheet will be saved if it is not modified and saved by another user since you opened it. मतलब जब से आपने उसको ओपन किया है, वो स्प्रेडशीट सेव तो हो जाएगी, बट इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट मॉडिफाइड, मतलब किसी और ने उसको मॉडिफाई नहीं करना चाहिए या फिर उसको किसी और ने सेव नहीं किया हुआ होगा. ओके. However, if the spreadsheet has been opened and modified by another user since you opened, one of the following events will occur. मान लो अगर किसी और ने वो स्प्रेडशीट ओपन कर ली या उसमें मॉडिफाई भी कर दिया, ठीक है, किसी और ने, जब से आपने ओपन किया है, तो क्या हो सकता है? फर्स्ट थिंग, द स्प्रेडशीट विल बी सेव्ड इफ द चेंजेस डू नॉट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, ठीक है. बट इफ द चेंजेस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, द रिजॉल्व कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स डायलॉग बॉक्स विल ओपन as shown in this figure 8.2. Just see in your book in the figure 8.2 it will show like this: resolve conflicts dialog box. This everything you can try in the lab when you will come, whichever things are possible that you will be able to see in the computer. But if the changes conflict, resolve conflict dialog box will appear and you must decide which version of the conflict to keep by clicking on accept mine and accept other option. When all the conflicts are resolved, the document will be saved. No other user will be able to save the shared file while you resolve the conflicts. If another user has already saved the shared workbook with changes and resolved conflicts, you see a message as shown in the figure 8.3. See the message. The message will state that the workbook has been updated with changes saved by the other users. Then you have to click on OK. Means other users have saved the worksheet. Now see how to record the changes. Sometimes you may be required to record the changes done by you or the other users in a spreadsheet to review later. Suppose आपने जो changes किए आपको वो record करना हो या फिर किसी और ने किया है, you need to record so that in future you can review it. So the track changes feature in Excel is used for this purpose. It enables you to keep a track of the changes done by you or other users in a spreadsheet. Track changes records the usual changes such as addition, deletion, content alterations, formatting and makes the changes visible in order to ease the review process. However, not all the changes are recorded. Likewise, the change in the alignment of a cell content is not recorded. Changes can be accepted or rejected by the user. So to record the changes you have to follow the steps. सबसे पहले कौन सा स्टेप है? ओपन द स्प्रेडशीट जो आपको रिकॉर्ड करनी है. रिव्यू टैब पे क्लिक करो. चूज ट्रैक चेंजेस. हाईलाइट चेंजेस टू टर्न ऑन द ट्रैक चेंजेस. Highlight changes will appear as shown in this figure 8.4. I hope you can see it very well. Then check the track changes while editing checkbox. Enabling track changes also results in sharing the workbook. In the highlight which changes section, choose. यहाँ पे आपको किसको चूज करना है? देखो, when to highlight the changes. By default all the changes are highlighted. Who can highlight? By default everyone can highlight. Where to highlight? By default changes made in the entire spreadsheet are highlighted. Means by default already this will be done. So what you have to do? You have to click on the OK button. The file will get saved and it will show a message window to continue the process. Now make the changes in the spreadsheet. The changes will be highlighted by a border around the cells with the dot on the paper left corner of the cell. See, when you point at the dot, you can see more detailed information such as name of the author, date and time, and type of change made in the help tip box as shown in the figure 8.5. See in the figure 8.5. Now reviewing the changes. When you receive a document back with changes, you can step through each change and decide whether to accept it or not. So, how to review this? You have to follow the steps. This I am not reading out for you. You have to read the steps. Then how to compare and merge the workbooks. Suppose you have different versions of the same spreadsheet and you want to view all the changes and comments of all the users in one go. आपके पास स्प्रेडशीट के डिफरेंट वर्जन्स है और आपको व्यू करना है कि जो भी चेंजेस और कमेंट्स बाकी यूजर्स ने किया है वो एक ही बार में यू वांट टू सी. इन दैट केस आपको क्या करना है? Compare and merge workbook feature is there. Compare and merge workbook feature in Excel can be used. ये किस लिए यूजफुल है? So that it allows you to compare all the changes which are made by the different users and merge them in a single file. It also addresses the users when you accept or reject the changes. You can only merge copies of the same shared workbook and all the copies that you want to merge should be kept in the same folder. Now adding the compare and merge workbook options. See, What are the steps? Click on the File tab and choose the options. The Excel option dialog box will appear. Select Quick Access Toolbar. Under Choose Commands from, click on the drop-down menu and select the All Command option. Find and select the Compare and Merge Workbooks option. Click on Add to add it to the Quick Access Toolbar as shown in the figure 8.8. Then you have to click on OK. The selected command will be added to the Quick Access Toolbar. To compare and merge the spreadsheet, you have to follow the given steps. Open a copy of the shared workbook. Click on the Compare and Merge Workbooks option. The Select File to Merge into Current Workbook dialog box will open. Select another copy of the same workbook you want to merge. Then to select multiple copies, hold the Ctrl or Shift key on your keyboard while selecting the file name. Last में आपको OK पे click करना है. Now adding and viewing the comments and editing and formatting the comments. This you will read out, and this chapter is completed. You have to complete the assessment part of this chapter. Follow in your computer notebooks. ठीक है? Complete all the assessment part. Thank you for watching.